Gayatri Tapo Bhoomi in Hubli is a well known spiritual and meditation center. People come here to pray, meditate, and seek peace. It is dedicated to Gayatri Mata, who is considered a goddess of wisdom and purity in Hindu tradition, making it a perfect place for those looking to connect with their inner selves. The atmosphere here is very calm, making it a perfect place for those looking to connect with their inner selves. The environment of Gayatri Tapo Bhoomi is peaceful and full of positive energy. This place is not just about prayers, it is also a center for learning and self improvement. Various workshops, spiritual sessions, and yoga classes are held here regularly. These activities help people to relax their minds, improve their health, and understand more about life and spirituality. Many devotees and visitors come here to take part in the regular Gayatri Yajna, a special prayer ritual involving the chanting of mantras and offering to the holy fire. In summary, Gayatri Tapo Bhoomi in Hubli is a wonderful place for anyone looking to find peace, learn more about spirituality. One special feature of Gayatri Tapo Bhoomi is its Gowshala. The place also has a small garden and spaces for walking and sitting, where people can enjoy nature and reflect on their thoughts. Visitors to Gayatri Tapo Bhoomi often talk about how calm and refreshed they feel after spending time here. The Gowshala here ensures that the cows are well fed, healthy, and happy. This adds to the spiritual feel of the place. Caring for animals is considered a service to God in many Indian traditions. One special feature of Gayatri Tapo Bhoomi is its Gowshala, which is a shelter for cows. In India, cows are considered sacred, and taking care of them is seen as a noble act. Its combination of meditation, learning, and care for animals makes it a unique and special place. Thank you one and all. Let's meet in next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.